Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour. Sri Lotus Developers made a good debut on the bourses. The stock listed at a 19% premium versus its issue price. Anand Pandit, who is the chairman and MD at the company, is joining us now to discuss more. Mr. Pandit, good morning. Thank you so much for joining in. Well, it's been a good debut for the company and for the stock on the exchanges. Now that you are listed, let's talk about your plans going forward as well. 93% of your portfolio is from redevelopment of luxury projects. Last time we spoke, you said you have 5 ongoing projects, 11 upcoming. Can you give us a sense of by when will they be executed? What kind of revenue potential do they have? By when you will be able to account for them?
First of all, thank you for having me on this show. And yes, we are very happy that we are now a listed entity. Right now, we have got several projects which are, as we explained earlier, we are more like a product company, and we try to finish our every project very fast, within 2.5 to 3 years. We have got right now 5 projects already under construction. Some of the projects right now under approvals, and some projects will be, this financial year will be launching about 6 to 7 projects. This is what our pipeline is right now. So total altogether about 16 projects would be within 1.5 years. About 16 projects will be starting.
So what would the potential be from these projects, Mr. Pandit? If there's a ballpark figure, how much would it add to your P&L?
Figures, I think it will be difficult for me to guess, because depending on market condition, how much it would be. But approximately 9 lakh square feet will come into pipeline. And whatever our last figures, it will be better than those figures, I feel, because the projects what we are talking right now in the pipeline, those are more high-yielding projects. Those are more like on the ocean front or garden front. Those kind of projects are there. Also, some of the projects, those are on in Bandra and in Midtown. So that yield would be much better than what we were getting the yield earlier.
So what is the bigger ambition? Now, you are a fairly dominant player in the Mumbai market, but your revenues are, say, 550 crore as of last year. Some of your competitors, and Mumbai is a fiercely competitive market, whether it's, say, an Oberoi Realty, they're so much larger in size. When do you think you will be able to double your revenues, hit that 1,000 crore mark? And for that, can you do it just by staying in the Mumbai market and expand to the Prabha Devis and the South Bombays? Or will you be open to looking even outskirts of Mumbai? Give us a 3-year or 5-year, the aspiration or ambition.
So right now, as you know, Mumbai is a huge market. And according to one report, there are 30,000 society or buildings are about to go for redevelopment. So if you consider even just one area, that's maybe Versova or Andheri or Juhu or Bandra, it has got, even just one suburb has got a huge potential. So I feel for another 5 years, we have got tremendous potential in the micro markets where we are already working. But we are very much open to open up the new micro markets. But all those micro markets, we are looking at a much higher per square feet revenue. And maybe after some time, maybe 5 years, 7 years, yes, we'll be open to go to any of the other areas also. But we'll be always in the ultra luxury market. So depending on the micro market, depending on the project, we'll take a decision.
So focus will remain on luxury and no plans of going into either mid-tier or affordable housing, Mr. Pandit, if I heard that correctly.
Absolutely correct. We want to be on the top of the pyramid. That space is getting bigger and bigger, and everyone wants to move above in the pyramid, from mass market to premium to aspirational, aspiration to luxury, luxury to ultra luxury. So our market, ultra luxury, is becoming bigger and bigger.
That 500 crore now that you have earmarked for either joint development agreements or for development management projects, are there deals that are already in the pipeline? Have you signed some already, or would you be now starting to look for them now that you are a listed entity?
No, all these projects which we have, the part of DRHP, are already signed on different levels. So this is not contemplating. Of course, we are in talks with new projects. That's like a usual business on an everyday basis. We are in talks with different societies for redevelopment.
Okay. Last question before we let you go, Mr. Pandit. Can you give us a sense of what the cash in your books will be used for? You, of course, have plans to invest it in one of your subsidiary, the funds that are raised, with 300 crore rupees in fixed deposit. Any more expansion plans that will happen in this year itself, or you, for now, will be using just the IPO proceeds?
So right now, IPO proceed would be towards 3 projects. One is in Juhu, one is in Bandra, one is in Versovan's beach front. So IPO proceed would be used for that, upward of about 500 crore rupees. But yes, what you said is correct. We are looking for huge expansion this year.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for joining in. Wish you all the very best. That's Sri Lotus Developers Realty. Good debut on the Lal Street. Get into a break. We'll focus on commodity markets. Manisha Gupta joins in on the other side.